Experience the ultimate beach lifestyle without sacrificing convenience. Discover the stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath condominium featuring a spacious loft. Enjoy the convenience of second-floor laundry and ample cabinet space in the kitchen. Step outside to a large fenced-in backyard, all just blocks away from Chesapeake Beach, public boat ramps to launch your boat or canoe, varied restaurants, and Little Creek Amphibious Base with easy access to Route 64. Don't miss out on this perfect coastal retreat. February 28, 2025.